regret.
She wasn't tough enough.
She took her boys along.
Cause they were mean and strong.
Mama, mama,
My big girl, she taught her four sons.
mama, mama.